Morning, guys. I am Raman Churchan, your close friend. So today we are going to understand what is API integration. Okay, as a part of Spring Boot. We are going to understand API integration. Basically, this API integration is a very important concept. Okay, when we are going call some other what you can say consider as an example like payment gateway, right? So if you want to integrate that payment gateway, either it is phone pay, either it is a Google Pay or whatever maybe, okay, Amazon or PayPal, you can. I know you are all are understand this, right? So basically, when we are going to integrate that particular payment gateway in our Spring Boot application, whatever task we need to do, we will going to understand in this video. So I'm going to share, okay? Then we will see. Basically, I'm going to cover only basic concept, okay? So I'm going to share my screen. Screen share. Here it is. Here it is. This is API integration, right? So give me little time. This is why boldly resilient, right? You need to like it, subscribe it, my channel, okay, for further updates. So in this, we are going to cover what are APIs, what is the API integration, examples of API integration, API integration methods, API integration processes, benefits of API integrations. These points we are going to cover as a part of this session. Okay. So this is first uh, slide. Actually, these all are in a PDF file, right? API integration in a snap, the comprehensive 5 minutes guide. Okay. So we are going to cover all this content. Okay. First of all, what are APIs? Okay. Basically, we should aware of that what is API, right? Without knowing the APIs, we will not able to understand what the going on here. So APIs is nothing but application programming interfaces. Basically, those are a set of rules and protocols that allows different software system to communicate and share information with each other. They act as a bridge between different systems, allowing them to share data and functionality. As I mentioned, right, if you're going to integrate a payment gateways, then we need to use, because here what is happening, consider our Amazon is our application, and PhonePe, that is another application, right? So if after purchasing anything, what we will do, we will do the payments, okay? We are not supposed to do payments directly. For that, Amazon need to integrate API gateways from PhonePe, Google Pay, PayPal, whatever payment gateways are there, okay? Allowed payment gateways are there. Those must be integrated by Amazon, Flipkart, okay? Then only we are able to do the payment, right? In that way, we will use API integrations. So here is how an API works, okay? Web app in the browser. Basically, whether we will use in our mobile applications are also there. From that, what we will do, we will purchase something from Meesho, Flipkart, Amazon. Then after what we will do, once you purchase the product, then we will do the payment using Google Pay, Phone Pay, either it has a bank application as well, right? So web app in the browser, you will give a request to internet, and after that, After that, what happens? The API will comes into picture. Then from that, web server and database. This is the flow of how the API works. It will get request from the browser through the internet. It will connect to the web server, and from that it will, from the database, it will give the required information as a response, right? Then the main concept is that what is API integration? API integration is the process of connecting different software systems and applications together through the use of APIs, application programmable interface. It allows different systems to communicate and share information with each other, making it easier to access and use data across different platforms. Right? Basically, in this, what they are exactly want to share is that process of connecting different software system. Right? As I mentioned, Amazon is one application, or you can call it as a software system, and PhonePe is another software system. So to communicate these two application, what we will do, we will use using the API integration, we will do the communication between these two applications, right? That is the only thing they are telling here, making it easier to access and use data across different platforms. So with the help of this API integration, whatever payment or transaction we will do, after some day, if the user or customer want to get the particular transaction ID or any information related to that particular product, then this transfer of the data need to be in a very normal way. So for that reason, the API integration is needed very fluent, right? Fluent in the sense that should be in handy, like that. So this is how API integration works. API provider, APIs. So consider it is an what you can say, PhonePe, and this is a Google Pay. These are the APIs they are provided, and after that API consumer, and lastly end user and customer. Right? So API consumer means maybe I think it is Amazon Web Services or any Flipkart or other application. And these are this you can consider it one. This one is a PhonePe and this one is a Google Pay. So end user, what it will do, he will purchase a product from here. Then after that they are integrated the PhonePe and Google Pay if is integrated in their application. So after clicking on that particular thing, the API call to that particular applications to proceed with the payments. So this is what example of API integrations, right? The first example is that integrating a website's shopping cart with a payment processor, right? As I mentioned earlier only. So this is an example of that API integrations. So integrating a website shopping cart with a payment processor to securely process transactions, right? I just mentioned, right, API integration with uh, taking an example of Amazon and PhonePe and Google Pay. So second one is integrating a company's CRM, customer relationship management system, with their accounting software to automatically create invoices and update customer informations, right? And the third one is integrating a mobile app with a social media platform to allow users to share content on their profiles, right? These also. So these are the examples of API integrations. In the API integrations, what are the methods are available? We will see now. Custom integrations. This involves creating custom code to connect different systems together, right? There are custom codes are available. With the help of that, what we'll do, we will connect with the different systems together. Connector applications. These are the pre-built software applications that can connect different systems together. And API integration management platforms. So these are the software platforms that allows businesses to manage and monitor their API integrations. So last and second last, API integration process. Okay, identifying the APIs to be integrated. Okay, first of all, we need to understand which APIs we need to integrate, right? Whether it is PhonePe, Google Pay, PayPal, or whether it is bank APIs also are there, because somewhere sometimes what happens, bank also, if we click on that particular link, then that will directly navigate to the particular bank applications. After that, reviewing API documentation, I will show you any one of that if I am able to show. Testing the API, integrating the API, monitoring and maintenance of that particular API, and security and authentications. These are the API integration processes. So benefits of API integration is what? Automation. API integration can, first one is, this is the first one, automation. API integration can automate repetitive tasks and data transfer, saving time and reducing errors, right? This will the first benefits of API integrations. Scalability. API integration allows for easy integration of new system and expansion of existing ones, right? This one. And third one is streamlined processes. API integration allows for better communication and reporting between systems, providing a more complete view of business operations. Reduces errors. API integration can reduce errors by automating data transfer and reducing manual. These are the benefits of API integrations. Okay. So what we will do, we will see one example. Okay, give me a minute. So PayPal API integration documentation. Okay, we will see. See, here is get started PayPal REST APIs. There will be a complete information will be provided with that particular application. Okay, for which application you are going to connect. Okay, get started with PayPal REST APIs. So these are the information are there. Get client and client secret. Get access token. Curl and get access token. If you want to get access token, then set the verb to post. Entire thing, small thing, they will be provided in their API documentation. See, authentication, postman guide, code spaces, API request. What should be the API request? See, sandbox live query. What are the query parameters? Count, integer, end time, page integer, page size. These all the information will be provided by the whom. That what we can tell that particular. Currently, we can call it as third party APIs. REST, make REST API call, get an access token content type. So API response, what should be the exact response? Right? Status code. This is a status code okay for this one created for, and do not to accept it, and do not for is no content. Field request, what it will get for word request, 404 not found, 405 not method not allowed, 406 acceptable. Like this, the response. Okay, see, name, error, name, message, the entire thing, whatever thing we required for that API integrations, they will be provided in their documentation. Core resource, API related release note, order, payments, show capture payment. Let me click on this. See what it will give. See ID, amount, currency code. These all things they will be mentioned in their API documentation. Payload like this, right? So this is how this is for PayPal, right? Another one, if I want to show you, PhonePe, I'm not sure, but I'll try. PhonePe API documentation. If for info, that is PayPal. I'm not sure this one is correct or not. PhonePe gateway packages. These are also like payment processor, payment is always all the information they should be need to provide. I'm not sure this is the correct one, but still. So if you are going to do any API integration, either it is 1 minute. We just saw the right examples, right? So example, mobile app is the social media platform, company CRM. Okay, okay. There are various API third parties who will provide the API integration documentations, right? API integration document for non-payment gateways. Sorry, Roser Pay. I forgot this one. This one, Zoho payment year 20, phone pay prepayment year to no code set, right? I clicked on that, but get started with PayPal. Just we saw that one. So these are the documentation they must provide. You will see this one, right? We need to sign up, right? Make or start business making, automate payroll, get rate loans, like this. We all things we need to sign up here, right? So I'm not going to sign up, but if you want more information, then you need to sign up. I will see this one, right? I'm not sure this one is correct. Get for free. See, he just need to register business with that. These all are the vendors who integrated PhonePe API gateways, right? India's leading business paper PhonePe payment gateway. Effortless integration in distributed success rates. Secure and common multiple payment methods. These are the things. If you want more information, then we need to dig more, right? So this is in this we have covered this API integration. I know this is a basic, but sometimes we are not aware these basic things also. So that's why I thought it will be helpful for you. So I am going to create. If you like this video, then please subscribe it and like it and share it with your friends. Thank you. We will see in next video. Thank you. Bye. Where is my Zoom? Where is my Zoom? Oh, I'm going